Hey, what's going on? It's Kevin J. Pineau. In this video, we're going to talk about the best high-income online business models, and there's 4 of them, so stay tuned. Hey, it's Kevin. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, I'd like to talk about getting an education on how to build an online business to make money online, particularly using affiliate marketing. If you're interested in learning anything along those lines with affiliate marketing or growing an online business or reviewing our favorite products and services that go along with it, make sure you grab the subscribe button and hit the bell notification to all so you never miss a video. So, what are the best high-income online business models on the market today? Now, there's 4 that I want to talk about in particular. There's many that you may have heard of, like drop shipping and creating your own private label products, things along those lines. But what I'm looking for is specific things, specific boxes that I have to tick because I want to be flexible. I want to make a decent income. I want to do it anywhere in the world. So let's look at some of those things right now. Get my fancy little face out of the way. Bam. Best high income business models. It must have, whoa, what is that? Click to add text, it must have. Doesn't need that. It's got to be location independent. I want to be able to work anywhere in the world. I don't necessarily want to have to bring my work everywhere, but I want to be able to work. I don't want to pay rent. Or if I have to pay rent, I want it to be small rent. I don't want it to be more than a tiny, tiny office. I'd like to be able to work from my home. I'd like to be able to work from just a laptop, if possible, and maybe check how things are going on my phone. But I want that independence. I don't want to be tied down to a mortgage or a building or a brick and mortar, something that, if I'm anchored to a bigger store and that big store goes away, I don't want my business to shut down. So it also has to have low startup costs. I do not want to open a McDonald's. If you look at a McDonald's, it's cost you $1 million. You need an accredited investor to even get your foot in the door, and you have to have experience with that. Even if you go down to a franchise like Subway, one of the cheapest ones that you can get into, I think it's still like $10,000 or $15,000. Plus you need a certain amount of money in the bank just for operating expenses just to get started. I want to start quickly. I don't want to commit all that money there. I want to start with what I have in my hands. If I have to flip stuff on Facebook or Craigslist to get started, like that's what I can do. Anyone can do that. And anyone can do that skill. If you don't have a lot of money, these are business models that are going to work for you to get started. And if you have a lot of education in something and you're nearing retirement and you're still thinking about how you can monetize that outside of getting a paycheck to paycheck existence, continue to the end of the video. So it's got to have high income potential. We're not talking about, 20, 30, 40, $50 an hour. I want things where I can put my effort in and get big bucks, $500 an hour, $1,000 an hour, or commissions while I'm sleeping. Those are the things that I'm looking for. If I can't do it while I'm sleeping, I want to make sure I'm making worthwhile money on my time. So the first one is the one I'm particularly fond of, and that's what I do, is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is essentially you're a middleman that introduces someone's product, which they made, to customers right here. So you have the customer, the affiliate, and the merchant. When the customer makes a sale, the merchant pays you a commission. You don't need to create your own products. You don't need to go out and reinvent the wheel. You just need some basic skills of marketing, of sales and presenting, of writing some decent copy, being able to persuade a little bit with your writing, being able to speak well, being able to show something that you like, show a product. I mean, think about it. It's something you already do, right? If you're really into iPhone SE, I talk about it all the time. I mean, if I went and worked at Apple, I could make 15 bucks an hour. But if I learned how to do affiliate marketing with Amazon, I could sell 1,000 of these things or do a review. Maybe I'll leave a link to this in the description below just to illustrate my point. So if you use a program like Amazon, they're lower commissions where they're like 5 to 10%. But if you promote a product that has an educational factor or a B2B kind of sense, business to business, there are products that pay 1,000 bucks for a commission or more. You know, there's value ladders where you can capture someone for a very small fee of like $5, $10, $20 and get them in a subscription where they'd be paying you an income every month, a small fee, but then there can be upsells, trainings that are like $200 where you get half of that commission, or larger like $5,000 trainings or long-term things that you can grow with. And you don't have to create these, you just have to know how to promote them and get in front of the right people. That's what I like about affiliate marketing. Now, if you want to take it to the next level, the way I actually structured these four, you can start at affiliate marketing and go to the next business model, and then to the next business model, and to the next business model. And you can essentially do all four starting in this order. And I'll show you how you can get started at the end. The next one, creating your own digital products. If you look at this silly little Creative Commons picture I got, that's literally all you need to start. Just like I mentioned before in the last slide, was you can create educational products or business to business things. If you have some sort of skill, a technical skill that you can turn into a document or a video to explain to someone, you can package that and sell it for a commission and promote it on your own. Now, if you start with affiliate marketing, you can learn the skills of becoming a marketer, of generating leads, of generating sales, of selling and marketing a product that isn't your own. Well, now that you have that skill and you create your own product, you know how to sell it. And you can write your own ticket with this. You can create your own products, you can give them away, you can sell them, you can charge whatever you want with digital products. And once it's made, it's made forever. You only have to make it once. It doesn't cost you anything once you put it on a server. You need, just like affiliate marketing, all you need is a cheap sales funnel with some basic skills, or email autoresponder. These are all things that I talk about on my channel. If you're confused by them, make sure you subscribe and watch some more of my content, and I'll help you work this stuff out for free on my channel. So you could take those skills and put it into a digital product and promote that. All right, and write your own ticket. I mean, think about all the things that you could do. This is a terrible, terrible graphic, but within it, I picked it because, you know, it shows records in football and sports and videos and emails. Think of all the different areas where you can create something and promote it. If you're a music instructor, check this out, man. If you're a music instructor, rather than doing one-on-one private lessons, you can create a lesson plan that is done by video, with audio, with PDFs, and you could sell that package. You could sell a subscription plan where they come back and get a new lesson every month. Just trying to give you some ideas. And I'll show you how you can learn how to do this at the end of the video. Make sure you stick around. The next one, this is for really experienced people. Coaching and consulting. Mentoring, coaching, consulting. If you have a skill that you can share, you can promote that. You do not need much to do this. You need a little bit of education to apply it, but you've probably done some sort of coaching and consulting or mentoring in a job that you've already had. Think about it. You work at a company, you had to teach somebody your job so you could take on the new job as the team leader or the manager. You had to learn new skills, and then you had to teach those skills. People will pay you for that. Let's say I have a family member who's in HVAC who's building his own business. He's got like 15, almost coming up on 20 years experience in HVAC, and he's hit every single license there is. So I'm going to approach him with this business opportunity because I think he should do it. Is he can do coaching and consulting to younger people starting out, how they can set up their career path in HVAC or something along those lines, or how they can build their business around their HVAC business, if they want to go solo, if they want to hire people, if they want to get into the next level and get better at this skill, he could teach that to people. You could do that with fitness coaching and consulting. You could do this with digital marketing. Your products, your digital product can be a mentoring program, and all you need outside of that is a laptop, sorry, my face is in the way, and a cell phone. You don't need much more than that to do coaching and just consulting. If you can email somebody and you can get them on the phone, you can do coaching and consulting, and people will charge you a large amount of money because people want to avoid pain. It sucks trying to learn something new on your own. It's very frustrating. There's headaches to it. If you can eliminate someone's headaches, if you can save them time, if you can save them massive amount of dollars over time, they will pay you handsomely to do that. And if you have skills and believe that you can do it, I can show you how you can get started at the end of this video. Your coaching and consulting is a big one. And then lastly, again, I was saying you start with affiliate marketing, move on to digital products after you master those skills, and then you could teach someone how to do your affiliate marketing or skills or whatever niche you're in. You could teach that to other people, be paid handsomely, and create your own hours. But the last one, number 4, is events and masterminds. Now you're scaling. You start with affiliate marketing, you create your own digital products, you coach people with your digital products, you consult people with your digital products, and you start building a list of people that want to network with the other people, because great minds think alike. You can think of this, if you have a large group of people all thinking alike and trying to grow, you can augment that and scale it even bigger with events and mastermind groups, and people will pay $5, $6, $7, $10,000 to come and join your mastermind group or come to your event that you're holding. You can build a massive business around this. And the way I've laid out all 4 of these, you can literally start from affiliate marketing. There's plenty of products in any niche. I can show you how to get that and find products for any niche that you're in. And you can literally walk through that whole process. Start affiliate marketing, digital products, learn how to coach and consult to get on the phone. You don't have to do it. You pick the right products, they'll do it for you with all the sales and phone calls. And then you can eventually build up your skills to events and masterminds and build your own empire. If you are interested in getting started in any one of these business models, down in the description below, I'll give you my number 1 recommendation to grow a full-time income online. Go down there, enter in your email. I'll give you a free video that will introduce you to these skills and where you can actually learn them down in the description below. If you like the ideas that I've given you, make sure you show it by smashing the like button. And I will see you, if you're subscribed, in the next video.